Get ready for a roller coaster ride of tech excitement. Just 3 weeks back, Samsung dropped jaws by launching the One UI 6.0 beta update for the Galaxy S23 series. Anticipation soared for the second beta drop, initially slated for August 29. But hold onto your hats because the plot thickened. The tech titan had a surprise twist in store. With an unexpected twist, Samsung declared that the eagerly awaited One UI 6.0 Beta 2 update would make its grand entrance not on August 29, but on the stage of innovation on August 31. Alas, drama unfolded as the release got a last-minute encore, keeping us on the edge of our seats once again. Now, the spotlight shifts to a dazzling announcement via at Ice Universe in Samsung's community forum in China. The drum roll, please. The One UI 6.0 beta update's star turn, scheduled for August 31, has taken a dramatic leap forward to September 4, a theatrical pause of 4 days. A plot twist that brings it right into the spotlight of early next week. The suspense thickens as whispers of the reason behind this curtain call swirl. Could it be those pesky bugs? Hold on to your devices, for we've got a tale of our own. Our Galaxy S23 Ultra plays host to the very first One UI 6.0 beta update. But even stars stumble, as this cutting-edge show reveals. Amidst the breathtaking performance, we've spotted our share of minor hiccups. An occasional stutter in the animations, apps and widgets deciding to play hide-and-seek on the home screen, and the color palette feature. Well, let's just say it's taken an impromptu vacation. Oh, and that clock widget on the lock screen. It's being a tad stubborn. The battery life, once soaring high, now takes a bow to One UI 5.1 with the August 2023 update. Yet hope shines on the horizon. Drum rolls, please, as Samsung leaps into action. As the second act looms on September 4, we eagerly anticipate the ultimate plot twist, the resolution of these tech hiccups. Rumor has it that the grand stage of the One UI 6.0 beta program will welcome the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra in India, Poland, and the UK. The global spotlight beckons, showcasing Samsung's new features and innovations in a captivating video experience. And so, dear tech enthusiasts, the stage is set, the suspense is real, and the excitement. It's off the charts. Tune in and join us in this thrilling saga of technological wonder and discovery. Peace out.